how to leave a review on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can actually leave a review on Amazon. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to leave a review on Amazon, all you have to do is just go ahead and open up your browser, go to the Amazon website, or you can also open the Amazon app. Now in order to leave a review, keep in mind that you can only leave a review for the products that you have already purchased, because if you have not yet purchased, you're not a verified buyer, and ultimately if you're not a buyer, you cannot absolutely leave a review. Amazon does this for just their product enhancement. So after you log into the website, click on the account and list from the top right, or you don't even need to click, you can just hover your mouse and then you'll enable these options, where under your account you will also find the option called your orders, right? Just click on the orders button, and then once you go to orders, basically you should be able to find all of the orders that you've placed. And once you find the orders that you've placed, you should be able to find the review button right next to it in order to go ahead and then actually enter your reviews. And that is it for this video on how you can leave a review on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.